For today's nail art, we are going to do a spider gel design. I'm starting off with my nails polished acid test from Sinful colors, and I'm going to paint the corner of my nail white. Over that, I'm going to polish a nude color from Eternal Cosmetics, leaving just a white stripe. Now we'll add a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. Using Moyra Spider Gel Stamping Plate 87, I'm going to stamp some black lines onto the nail. I want to try to line this up so that black line is sitting right on top of my white stripe. To fill in the top of the nail, I'm going to add a couple more lines. I've removed the liquid latex and we can start adding some dots to our spider gel. Using a dotting tool dipped in black polish, I'm going to add 3 small dots on each side of the nail. Finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.